Alright folks, welcome back. So this video, my hope and desire is that we never have to reference this video, but I wanted to put it out here in case we did. And so this just talks about the multitude of fuses that are in the unit. So let me show you real quick, and hopefully this will save you a lot more time than I had to put into it when we had a few issues. So there are fuses located here. You'll notice here, this is the compartment going into the door. And so I can tell you for sure that one of the fuses located here is for the drop down bed underneath the captain's chairs. We ran into one of those situations where we held the button down too long and it actually got stuck in the down position, and we're like, oh no, now what? And so after a few hours of combing the internet and calling different places, we found out, and after I think I checked 100 fuses here, the last one I came to, it was one of these. And so you'll notice here they are marked accordingly. Fortunately, I will be providing a fuse map for this entire vehicle as part of the package. For some reason at night, you know, you got a light up here that'll help, but once again, hopefully you never need it. But did definitely want to show you that. Fuse is also here for the stairs that go in and out. Let's go ahead and take a walk up here to the front of the unit, and I've already opened the engine compartment just to kind of show you. And once again, to open that engine compartment, you're going to use this device here, right? And it just fits right there, and you can open it up. But here are some of your other fuses. This is we had some issues early on with some running lights, and so this is just a fuse box, a lot of different fuses in there. So you can pop that open from the side here. Once again, hopefully you'll never need it, but wanted to at least point it out. So one other place where a lot of fuses are kind of like your fuse box for your house, that's actually located on the inside of this unit, near the back, where the bed is. So never had to get in these fuse boxes before, but it's kind of your panel for everything. And so you can see here they're all labeled accordingly. Hopefully you'll never have to use these, but this is really kind of where your breaker box is. And then there's fuses right here in this side. So I'll tell you this, I bought a big box of fuses off Amazon. After I learned my lesson, first time a fuse blew, we were going down the road close to dark, and we basically had to pull over until the sun came up the next morning because wasn't smart enough. I guess you could say I was a rookie and really didn't know. But going back here to the back, we do have fuses that will be located back here. It's the compartments that the gas fill up right there. Have fuses right back here, located in this compartment. And so there are fuses, a multitude of different types of fuses that are right here. And so this, once again, hopefully we'll never need them, but if you do, they are located there. So hopefully this helps provide a little bit more comfort if you do need it.